Mastering ellipses. Spacing surprises in English punctuation. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation, specifically focusing on ellipses. The focus of our discussion will be on the formatting and spacing that come with using ellipses, particularly spacing before and after ellipses. Buckle up as we reveal some of the rules and best practices surrounding ellipses. Ellipses are a unique form of punctuation consisting of 3 periods, or dots, in a row, like so. They can be used in various contexts in English, like indicating an omission, suggesting a pause, or hinting at an unfinished thought. As simple as they might seem, it's essential to format and space them correctly for clear and precise communication. When it comes to using ellipses, spacing plays a crucial role. Here are some general guidelines to follow. 1. No space before. If the ellipsis comes directly after a word without a pause, there's typically no space between the word and the ellipsis. For example, I think I can. 2. Space before and after. If the ellipsis is placed in the middle of a sentence to indicate a pause or omission, you should typically put a space both before and after the ellipsis. For example, I think I can. 3. Space after. If the ellipsis comes at the end of a sentence, there's typically a space after it, before starting a new sentence. For example, I think I can will see. Remember, these are general guidelines and the specific style guide you are following may have different rules. While the rules we mentioned are generally applicable, there are some exceptions. In certain formal writing styles, spaces are added between the dots of an ellipsis, like so. ... Always remember to check the specific style guide you are following for any unique formatting rules. And there you have it, folks. We've delved into the intriguing world of ellipses and explored how to handle spacing before and after these peculiar punctuation marks. Remember, it's all about enhancing clarity and communicating effectively. As always, keep practicing and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy writing, and see you next time.